Hello everybody, here I am demonstrating my broken RCA VCR made in 1997. Here is what it looks like. My family has used this VCR since the late 90s and it has lasted as well. Here are some more photos to show you what it looks like. It is unfortunate to see the VCR having issues. Every time I attempt to turn it on it makes a super loud drilling sound which you will see in the video soon. Luckily a Blockbuster VHS got stuck and I'm happy it wasn't a family video. I'm not an expert at repairing electronics and won't try because I tend to accidentally break things. Instead I will have to use my worst VCR with only 2 heads and mono sound quality. I tried looking for a new one but they are overpriced. I hope that VCRs will continue to work in the future and that new low-maintenance machines will be made. There is a ton of history that we have yet to preserve.
What? God! Steven, you're killing me. Say that. Thank you, Steven. You are terrible at this.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, mate. I was just lying to you. You can open that by the window if you want.
Oh no, this one's cool. You know, it's by the corkboard.
I'm Lloyd.
Oh, Steven.
Hello, Steven.
You're from
England.
Right, yeah. I've been there once on this Jewish teen tour, Shalom Europe.
Oh, no. What's your major?
Oh, I'm like undeclared for the time being. You know, it's just checking stuff out, kind of.
I'm in the theater department.
I guess we'll unpack.